Welcome to J Has Heart.
Val, you were thinking about this mutualistic relationship between myself and the student and the scholar. I'm receiving something by being here, so I need to appreciate that. And if I have that level of appreciation or gratitude, it will show in my actions. I'm actually happy that you're here. I know you're being yourself. I'm gonna leave it at that. But I'm happy, and I'm here because I get to interact with you. Right? You keep it there, and now that's helping with your tolerance. Mm-hmm. They're also benefiting because they're learning whatever topic you're teaching at the moment. Mutualistic. But the other thing I was hoping that someone would say is now we as educators, there has to be mutualism between us. This community isn't just about the students and how do we implement SCL. It's about how do we interact and mutualistically benefit from each other. And that happens when we can just say good morning. I tell you, that matters. You walk away from someone, you walk past someone and don't say good morning. Well, I don't care about her either. Whatever. Whatever. You don't want to say good morning. I don't know what called up her, him. Am I the only one?
No.
Yeah. Good morning. Just that alone. We ain't got to say what you did last night, being all in your business. We ain't got to say all that. Good morning. Good morning. I love your dress. Love your tie. Man, you looking sharp. I am looking sharp, shoot. This is a nice dress, you know. I got a nice yellow on it, you know. It makes somebody feel good. That alone helps to build that mutualism. Because maybe they didn't get that compliment from somebody at home. See, we have to understand there's so much things that people are going through. And us as educators have to have that relationship where we build each other up. Build the kids up. We're also going to build our guardians up. It's a community. It's a habitat. It's all of us working together, creating a mutualistic type of symbiotic type of interdependence type of community. Makes sense, doesn't it? Every time I say it, I get excited. Because it makes sense. SEL community is what we talk about.
Welcome to J Has Heart.